So hello and welcome students, and welcome to this ABLOX video series. Today we are going to learn on how to blink an LED using ABLOX and Arduino UNO. So firstly, let's talk about what is this all about. So basically we are going to embark upon a journey to automation by glowing an LED using Arduino UNO. That is, we are going to turn it on and off within a fixed time interval, and also we are going to use a resistor with it so that our LED doesn't blow up. Right? So we need three things for this: the software components, the hardware connections, and lastly we are going to learn about the conclusion. Okay, so the software components required are for interfacing an LED are Arduino UNO, the ABLOX platform, and some jumper cables. So all you have to do is just place the blocks in the right position and it will automatically take care of the circuit for you, the ABLOX platform. So it is very simple for you to interface it. Okay, so moving on to hardware connections, we have an LED and a resistor. So what is an LED? As we have already studied about it, an LED is a light emitting diode. It is a tiny light that works when electricity flows through it. Okay, so when you power it, it glows and emits light from itself because there is movement of electrons inside it that creates a glow. And what is a resistor? As we have already learned about a resistor in basic electronic components, it is basically like a traffic cop for electricity. It slows down the flow of electric current, preventing too much electricity from going through. It helps you control and protect electronic devices, making sure they work properly. So this is what a resistor does. And now this is the pin diagram of an LED working. So we have an anode, which we already know that it is the positive terminal and it is the longer one. And we have cathode, which is the shorter terminal and is negative, which is connected to the ground. This is the circuit. When you place the blocks in the correct order, the ABLOX platform will automatically generate the circuit for you. So here we have connected the anode, that is the positive leg, to the resistor, and the resistor goes into digital pin number 4. You can use any of the 14 pins available in Arduino UNO from 0 to 13 for your connection purposes. Now we have the cathode, that is the negative pin, and it is connected to the ground. For a small there's a short note that whenever you see a negative cathode, a negative terminal always connected to the ground, this completes half of your circuit and half of your problems are already solved. So it doesn't bother you much then. You just have to worry about the anode. Okay, so moving on, we have programming, compiling and uploading to Arduino. So in the coding, we first have to take a loop which runs here. I have taken it 3 times, but you can take it as many times as you want and even infinite times. Inside it, I have written turn LED 4 on. So I have given a very simple command that my LED, which is connected to digital pin number 4, should be on. Now in the second line, I have added a wait of 1 second, that when my LED turns on, it should be on for about 1 second. The loop, the code pauses for 1 second here. So my LED remains on for 1 second. In the third code block line, I have written turn LED 4 off, and then in the fourth line I have written wait for 1 second. That is, LED is off for 1 second, and the loop then runs again. So what it does is, LED turns on, it remains on for 1 second, LED turns off, remains off for 1 second. Loop repeats again, LED turns on, remains on for 1 second, LED turns off, remains off for 1 second. So this is how your loop is running. I hope I was pretty clear about this. And in conclusion, today we have learned about how to interface an LED and automatically interface and glow it using Arduino UNO, jumper wires, resistor and a breadboard. We also learned on how to use the ABLOX platform to easily code using Arduino blocks. The basic working I've already explained to you, on and off for 1 second each, and the loop repeats again. So this is what we have learned today. So now the question for the day is, how many digital pins are there in Arduino UNO? Let me know the answers in the comment section. So just remember to keep moving forward, learn a bit by bit every day, and I'm sure that you will succeed for sure. Okay, so I hope you liked this video and got to learn a lot about interfacing an LED. Thank you for watching. Keep subscribing us.